Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming accounts and permissions. Sign into Google and Outlook and make sure two-step verification won't block access. Once done, enable calendar sharing or API access in Google so Outlook can fetch events. This is why you need proper access. Without it, sync fails. Now open Outlook, navigate to Account Settings, and choose Internet Calendars or Add Account. This is your first actionable step toward linking calendars, so don't skip entering credentials when prompted. Next, you configure how calendars communicate. Either paste the Google iCal URL into Outlook's Internet Calendar, or add Google using Outlook's OAuth flow for fuller access. Make sure to decide read-only versus two-way sync. This determines whether edits in Outlook update Google, and that's important for workflow consistency. Also map time zones and default reminders so events display correctly. These settings prevent duplicated or shifted events. Once configured, to finish, confirm that events imported correctly. Check times, recurring rules, and attendee status so your calendar remains reliable. If updates don't appear, force a manual sync or restart Outlook. Sometimes caches block new entries, so clearing the Outlook cache can help. Make sure edits propagate the way you intended. If you find the iCal feed is read-only, re-add the calendar using Outlook's Google account option via OAuth for two-way sync. One key troubleshooting tip: revoke and re-grant access if auth errors persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.